Penat betul lah. Berapa ramai lagi lah geng plastik hitam aku nak kena kutip lagi siang macam ni. Mungkin ni jalan cara untuk aku tebus dosa silam aku. Choto, am I too handsome until you snapshot me?
No. I never snapshot your face. Sumimasen. Anone senpai. Honestly, I love your Hayasu-ban.
Wait, seriously? But it's just a van.
But your Hayasu look great for me. It's too rare for me to see Hayasu with big turbo. I'm sure your Hayasu engine is powerful. I'm sure you spend more money for modified this van. You use your van for what? It looks sporty. Voxel racing rim looks awesome. That support rim was my favorite support for my RX-7.
Well, it's for... Amboi, kau sembang apa dengan awek tu? Kita ada lagi hotspot nak kena serbu ni. Aku tahulah. Kau ingat aku apa? Dah, jom.
Sugoi.
Masuk. Dapur rupa berdarah balut bagai ni. Kena sambung dengan penyamun kelang ke? Samun pada tengkorak kau. Aksiden adalah. Aksiden pasal van jenazah drift kejar aku tadi. Wow, van jenazah drift. Minum ketum nampak.